Hey y'all. So as many of you know, on top of welding, I also sew and I do upholstery. And I have constructed a cover for the Vulcan Outlaw welder generator, um, just in case you've lost yours or it's fallen apart or you bought a used one and it didn't come with it. Um, don't worry, I got you covered. These covers are made out of 600D Cordura canvas with a PVC waterproof backing on it. They're extremely waterproof, they're lightweight, they come hemmed at the bottom, and they have grommets so that you can bungee cord it to your machine so it doesn't get sucked off while you're going down the road. Um, Other features, I didn't do it on this one because this is my prototype, but they will have a 1-inch webbing handle so that you can pull it up off your machine, or you can use those handles to hang it up on a clothesline to wash it and dry it. All of them come with these grommets at the bottom, 2 at the front and 2 at the back, so that you can use bungee cords to go through the frame to keep it down. The fabric that I used is this 600D Cordura canvas, and it has a PVC backing on the inside. The outside has been treated with UV resistant agents to keep it nice and fresh. And as you can see, it's PVC rubber on the inside. These covers are $65 plus shipping to your location, which is a pretty cheap price for what they protect. But if you don't have the Outlaw welder generator, don't worry. I can make these for any generator that you have. If you have like the Hobart portable welder or the Miller, if you have a Bobcat, a lightning bolt, SA200, you name it, I can make a cover for it. Just email me at this address and I'll send you a form to fill out and we can make custom covers for your equipment. But right now, these are available. It takes me, expect about 2 weeks for delivery because they do take some time to make them. But $65 plus shipping and we'll get you covered.